Hi guys, welcome back to OMG123, and today we're going to be doing the alphabet pronunciation, part 3. And are you ready to learn the 8 more letters of the alphabet? Because we're going to be jumping it in 3, 2, 1. And also, I have my kids here as last time. But I have different kids. I have Lily. I have Jasper. I have Sonic. And I have 2 more kids. And there are Allie and Jennifer. And you guys are going to be practicing with them. So let's get started. And the first letter we're going to be practicing will be the S letter. Let's all say it together, but first me. Let's all do it together now. Great job, actually. And the animal of the letter S is gonna be snake. They actually say the sound of S. Snakes say it, so that's why I wanted to put it. And next is gonna be T. T sound is T, T, T. Let's all do it together. T, T, T. Hey Lily and Alice, you didn't do it quite right yet. So let's do it one more time. T, t, t. Good job. And the animal is a turtle. Oh yeah. Next one will be U. And U sound is Let's all do it together. Yeah, you over there. You didn't do it quite right. So let's try it one more time. Great job. Actually, did you know you says a second sound? So, do you want to do the second sound? Okay, let's do it. First me, of course. And the sound is U, U, U. Okay, let's all do it together. U, U, U. Great job. But we need a little bit more practice on that. So keep on watching this video for that one. Okay? And the animal is an umbrella bird. Next letter will be V. And the sound is V, V, V. Let's all do it together. V, V, V. I heard one person didn't do it quite right, but I don't know who. But let's try it one more time. V, V, V. Good job. And the animal is a vulture. Next one will be W. And W sound is wah, wah, wah. Let's all do it together. Wah, wah, wah. Now, actually, Alice, you didn't do it quite right. So let's try it one more time. Wah, wah, wah. Good job. And the animal is a walrus or whale. Next gonna be X. And the sound of X is X, X, X. Let's all do it together. X, X, X. Lily, you didn't do it quite right this time. So let's try it one more time. Great job. And the animal is an extra fish. how about you guys try it with me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great job. You did it perfect this time. Fist bump. Next sound, the last sound. Oh, and also, Y is saying two more sounds actually. It says E and I. So let's practice that sound. It's kind of like the same sound of E and I sound, but a Y says it. So let's practice it. E, E, E. Now you guys do it with me. E, E, E. And you did perfect. And the last one is going to be I for the sound of Y. I. Now let's all do it together. I. Oh, yeah, Alice, you didn't do it quite right. Let's try it one more time. I. Good job. And then the last thing I need to tell you about Y is the animal, of course. The animal is ENIAC. And the last letter for today and the videos will be Z. So let's me do it first, and then you guys try it along with me. Z, z, z. Let's all do it together. Z, z, z. You over there. You didn't do it quite right. Let's try it one more time. Z, z, z. Good job. And the animal is zebra. Okay, that's the end of the alphabet pronunciation. And hope you like, subscribe, and thumbs up for more notifications. And see you in my next video. Bye, guys.